Okay, Ethan Edwards here, instructional designer with Allen Interactions on my first attempt at a live streaming podcast. I'm here at the Missouri History Museum at an exhibit called The Little Black Dress. And I came here sort of inspired by the idea that, like e-learning, fashion has been anchored to a number of standard types. The little black dress being one of the most significant. And in e-learning, of course, it's a multiple choice question. Those of you who have heard me speak probably have seen me say that everything you're ever going to build in e-learning is a multiple choice question. One could be taken to think that seeing this exhibit, that everything that one might design or need to design at the core of a collection is a little black dress. And I was really fascinated by this idea to see, well, what does it take to make a designer come up with something useful, with something that is so time honored and possibly uninteresting. And I think designers are constantly faced with that when needing to build multiple choice questions. But I think looking at this exhibit, what became clear is that to make a success of these, it was really to understand the use, understand the users, the people who are going to benefit from this. Here's a set of maternity little black dresses, taking care of those needs of those users, but maintaining that classic idea, the basic usefulness that is required for particular uses. So, as you can see, I'm talking while there's other people in the museum here, so I'm a little bit unwilling to spend too much time interrupting their use of this. But I'm leaving this exhibit sort of inspired that we too easily think that what we do is tedious and routine. And I think we need to go back, even when we're using simplistic authoring tools and having to do things in a hurry, have to remember that as a designer, the demand is to figure out how to make something pleasing, make it work, make it match the user, make it match the need. And here's an example where that was done in such a variety of ways, using different materials, being in tune with the times in which trends change, just as now gaming, micro-learning, all those things are trends within e-learning, just as length and materials and morning and evening are trends in fashion. These designers took those things and made them work. So we're going to see if this is an interesting way to comment on some stuff. Your roving instructional designer, Ethan Edwards here, and we'll see how this works. Hope you enjoyed it. Again, I'm here at the lovely Missouri History Museum in Forest Park, which has lately been rated in St. Louis, Missouri, which has recently been named the #1 public park in the United States. So, thanks a lot for joining me. Bye.